some form of relationship between or among your data set. You can use the HoloView Python library to do this with minimal effort. I'm just going to show a very quick demo on how you can use this. First, we will import HoloViews as HV. This is a normal conventional practice. So as importing HoloViews as HV, we will use the HV extension, which is called bokeh. And then the next thing is to create a sample of data set. And in this data set, we can just create a list of XY values. And then now we can create first the line. It's a line and scatter plot. So let's start with the line. And then we can also create one for the point as well. Let's see. So everything looks good. What we are basically doing here is to create the data, or use the hv.curve to create a line graph with this data in it. And as I mentioned, these are x and y values. So the next thing is to just combine the plot. So we can just, for example, say line plus scatter, and then here we can give it an optional title, or even to put it inside a column of, let's say, 2. Then we will run